Hello, Preacher Dan here. I want to say hello to all my Mustang folks. I have something going on right now, changing out O2 sensors. This is the original O2 sensor that came in the car. It actually has on it, let's see if we can find it here. Yeah, there we go. Famoco, Ford Motor Company. This is an original part. Car's got 170 something thousand miles on it. And so both of these things finally just went kaput, flatlined on me. This is a very cheap Maxpeedingrods O2 sensor. Just looking them over, other than the length of the lead, obviously, plugs are all the same. It looks like basically the same thing. I don't know if it is. I know that the end here, let me get this off here. One-handed stuff. Well, there it goes. Comes with anti-seize on it. That's a good thing. Both of them, get focus, basically look the same. The Maxpeedingrod one here looks just a little bit different, but I've already installed one on the driver's side over here, and definitely need to zip tie up the cord to keep it off of the exhaust, but it is functioning. These are relatively cheap. I was able to get both of these for just a little bit over $50 on eBay. They were half off, so I'm assuming that they're probably regular priced somewhere around about $50. Nevertheless, we're going to give these a shot and see how long they last. But as of right now, the one that we have installed back there is definitely working. God bless y'all and be safe. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.